Today I'm making some vegan tuna. I'm actually gonna make me a tuna melt today. So you're gonna wanna mash up all of those chickpeas. I really wish that I had one of those big like masher utensil things, but I don't, so fork it is. You're gonna cut up some red onions, throw those in, some Nori Flakes, some Veganaise, some mustard, and some Relish. And you're gonna mix that all up just like this. Yep, just keep mixing it up. And then I'll just add some salt, pepper, garlic to it. I'm gonna fry it in the pan, add some smoked Gouda, that's my favorite. And voila, you have a tuna melt. Yummy. Mmm.